A quick update. We're just at Taco Bell. We just finished dinner. I'm not digging at the GoPro because I didn't want to dig it out. It's all right behind me. It's 6:30. We're gonna stop in Merritt for gas and snacks and a bunch of other little stuff, and then we'll be on our way until I get tired, and then that's when we'll stop. But I didn't wake up until like 9:30, 9:45 this morning, so I should have lots of time. Not be tired. Alright, let's go. Alright, it's been a long day. Powered through. It's 12:57, just at 1 a.m. Almost 2 a.m. in Alberta, where we're going. We're only 6 hours away in the morning. We're ready for bed. Leslie's been out for a while.
Like half an hour.
Yeah, about half an hour. Oh, I know, about an hour. I guess
it was 12:30 when I got tired.
Yep. So, bedtime. And then we're up in 7 hours. Good night.